Hi, this is Dan from FounderPal. Marketing strategy is essential for any creator business, and let me show how you can get yours in under 5 minutes with the power of AI. So we'll go to FounderPal and we have example marketing strategy for Facebook ads course. And this is basically a guide to advertising SaaS on Facebook. Our target audience is technical founders, marketers, and other people. And we are interested into getting a marketing strategy for this business. So we'll start obviously with the user persona. This is who is our ideal customer, and we get all key insights about their life, what's going on, what's wrong, what are they looking for in just 10 seconds. And if we have two target audience personas, so for example, two different segments, we can have multiple persona in one marketing strategy. So the next step is to connect our ideal customer with our product via product positioning, and these insights will help us sell our business in an organic and authentic way by not selling features or some syllabus of our course, but rather benefits that people will get from completing this course. So this is a foundation of your marketing strategy. Now you want to get some insights, what's going on in the market. So for example, you can go to market analysis and understand what is happening with your audience, what are your competitors, and what trends can you leverage today to make your course more successful in the future. All of these insights you could get by researching the internet and conducting interviews. But if you don't have time, you can get 80% of insights in just 10 to 20 seconds. Or for example, you will probably send a lot of emails, create a lot of posts, tweets about your course. You want to be aligned and you want to have consistent brand marketing around all campaigns, and these instructions will help you to stay consistent, to communicate the same value proposition over and over again, and just do what your customers expect you to do to make the connections even stronger. And when you're ready to do some marketing, for example, you're preparing for the launch or the launch already happened and you want to increase the conversion rate of your marketing funnel, you can go to marketing ideas and generate a lot of different ideas, either to acquire users or convert them better. So for example, we can have, let's say flash sales via dynamic ads on Facebook ads. And if we're looking to get a step-by-step action plan to know exactly what to do, we get these instructions that are super specific and actionable and very personalized for our specific situations. Or for example, if we are big into content marketing and let's say we're interested into writing a blog post article, we can write a success story with one of our clients, for example, and we get not just an idea, but what we need to mention in this blog post to make it successful, to make it very useful in promoting our business. So this is very useful. And finally, if let's say we are into a little bit of technical things, we can let's say create a tool, SaaS advertising budget planner. Again, people will use this tool for free and we will promote our paid product. This is a very specific and nice idea to diversify your marketing efforts. And again, we have an action plan, what exactly we need to do, what steps we need to complete to make this tool as successful as possible. So these ideas will keep us busy during our marketing weeks. It will get us more traffic, more customers, and will be very useful for us. And finally, if we're looking to more specific actionable assets for our marketing funnel, let's say we want to try different pricing, we can go and get different monetization strategies to understand, okay, what can we change, what can we add to our product to try different pricing. Or for example, we can see if our landing page is doing good, we can submit it and get specific honest feedback and recommendations, what to improve and what's not working right now. And all of these will be focused on one specific goal, to increase the conversion rate of our content product, in this case a video course. So all of these will help us to skip brainstorming, procrastination, and just overthinking of our marketing and just jump right into action, because you get the right marketing directions for your content product in just under 5 minutes. So all of these features are already available. Sign up today to get a marketing strategy for your digital creator business, and I will see you around. Bye bye.